My name is Kyley Clark, and I'm going to be doing the upper and lower extremities of the appendicular bones. I'm going to start with the upper extremity. This is a right clavicle. This is the sternal end, and it's medially located. And this is the acromial end, and it's laterally located. This is a right scapula. This is the acromion process, the coracoid process, the suprascapular notch, the superior border, the medial border, the lateral border, your superior angle, your inferior angle, your subscapular fossa, the posterior view. This is your supraspinoous fossa. This is your spine, and this is your infraspinoous fossa. This is your glenoid cavity. This is a right humerus. This is the head. This is the anatomical neck. This is the surgical neck. This is your greater tubercle. This is your lesser tubercle. This is your intertubercular groove. This is your deltoid tuberosity. This is your radial fossa, your coronoid fossa, medial epicondyle, your lateral epicondyle, your capitulum, your trochlea, and the posterior view is your olecranon fossa. This is a left radius. This is the head. This is the neck, your radial tuberosity, and your styloid process, which points to the thumb. This is a left ulna. This is your olecranon process, your coracoid process, trochlear notch, your radial notch. Your head is located below, your styloid process, and it points to the pinky. This is the hand, and I am going to name the tarsal bones from lateral to medial, starting with the thumb being lateral in anatomical position and the pinky being medial. This is the trapezium, your trapezoid, capitate, hamate. Your big bone in the proximal row is the scaphoid, the lunate, your triquetrum, and on top of your triquetrum sits your pisiform. These are your metacarpals. You count them from 1 to 5, starting from your thumb being 1 and your pinky being the 5th metacarpal. These are your phalanges. This is the proximal phalange. This is the middle phalange, and this is the distal phalange. Those are all of the bones of the upper extremity. I'm now going to name the lower extremity bones. This is a right pelvic bone. This is the iliac crest, the ilium, anterior superior iliac spine, anterior inferior iliac spine, acetabulum, the pubis, superior ramus, inferior ramus, obturator foramen, ischial ramus. This is your ischium, ischial tuberosity, posterior view, lesser sciatic notch, ischial spine, greater sciatic notch, posterior inferior iliac spine, posterior superior iliac spine, and this is your iliac fossa, where the two bones connect. In the front is your pubic symphysis. This is a left femur. This is the head. This is the neck. This is the patellar surface. This is your lateral condyle and your medial condyle. This is your lesser trochanter, your intertrochanteric crest, your intertrochanteric line, gluteal tuberosity, your linea aspera. This is your medial epicondyle, your lateral epicondyle, and your intercondylar fossa. This is a right patella. This is the apex of the patella, and this is the base of the patella bone. This is a right tibia. This is the lateral condyle, medial condyle, intercondylar eminence, tibial tuberosity, anterior crest, and the medial malleolus. This is a right fibula. This is the head, the neck, the shaft, and the lateral malleolus. This is the foot, and I'm going to name the tarsal bones. This is the calcaneus, the talus, the navicular, the cuboid, the lateral cuneiform, the intermediate cuneiform, and the medial cuneiform. This is the hallux, and it is numbered from 1 to 5, from the hallux to the pinky toe. These are your metatarsals, and these are your phalanges. This is the proximal phalange, the middle phalange, and the distal phalange.